Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website. This is useful when you want more control over how a video is added to a page or when you're working with custom embed code instead of a standard video element. If you want to display a YouTube video directly on your Wix site, the process is actually very simple. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. This can be useful for tutorials, product demonstrations, testimonials, interviews, promotional videos, or any other YouTube content you want visitors to watch without leaving your website. To begin, open your browser and search for iframe's YouTube Embed. Once you find the iframe's YouTube Embed tool, open it. This tool helps generate the embed code you'll need to place a YouTube video onto your website. An embed code basically tells Wix which external content to display and how it should appear inside your page. After the page loads, paste the YouTube link of the video you want to embed into the provided field. Make sure you're copying the correct video URL so the right content appears on your site. It's a good idea to open the YouTube video first and copy its URL directly from the browser or sharing option to avoid using the wrong link. Once you paste the link, the tool will generate the embed code for that video. At this point, click the option to copy the code. This code is what allows Wix to display the video properly inside your web page, so be sure it copies completely before moving on. You don't normally need to understand or edit the code itself if the tool has already generated it correctly. Next, go to your Wix website editor. When you're inside the editor, look at the top left area and click Add. This is where Wix keeps all of the content elements you can place onto your page. Before continuing, you may also want to navigate to the exact section where you want the video to appear, so positioning it afterward is easier. After opening that menu, select Elements. From there, use the search feature and type in Embed. This will help you quickly find the correct option without scrolling through everything manually. Using the search option can save time, especially if you're still getting familiar with the different Wix elements. When the embed options appear, click Embed Code. This adds a space on your page where custom embed code can be inserted. Think of this box as a container that will display the YouTube video once the code has been added. After that, paste the code you copied from iframesly into the embed box. Once the code is pasted in, click Apply. Make sure the entire code has been pasted and that no part of it was accidentally deleted, because incomplete code may prevent the video from loading correctly. At that point, your YouTube video should be embedded onto the Wix page. You can then position the embedded video wherever you want on the page and adjust the size so it fits well with the rest of your layout. For example, you might place it below a heading, inside a tutorial section, or next to supporting text. Try to keep the video large enough to watch comfortably without overpowering the rest of the page. It's a good idea to preview the page afterward to make sure the video displays correctly and looks clean on your site. Check both the video itself and the surrounding spacing, and if possible, preview the page on desktop and mobile so you can make sure the layout still looks good on different screen sizes. And that's all there is to it. By using an embed code and placing it into Wix, you can quickly add YouTube videos to your website in just a few steps. Once you understand the process, you can use the same method whenever you want to add video content to different pages across your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.